Alright, here it is, install video. If you've seen my unboxing, you know I got the aFe Power Momentum GT intake for my 2019 Dodge Challenger Scatpack. This is everything is in the box. Like I said, I did an unboxing video if you want to see everything that comes in it. I got my setup already. My car is cooled down. Well, I actually didn't even drive it this morning. So I got the instruction manual. These all the tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need a socket wrench, flathead screwdriver, probably this, I'm not for sure, but 100% positive you're gonna need these. So like I said, if you're not already, let me get this pulled up. If you're not already, make sure you're following my Instagram for my Challenger, because I posted everything about this before I put it on YouTube. So like I said, put the link down in the description. You see the name down in the video. You see I already put this up. So that's already out on the Instagram before I put it on YouTube, because I still got to edit this video up. So the first thing you want to do is loosen the bolt in the back, which you just need a 10mm on the socket wrench. I already got loosen this just enough for you to pull the negative wire off. That should be enough right there. So that's off. And I think what that does, it basically like resets the temp stats and all that stuff, because you put in a new intake. I'm not for sure. If you know why, then just put that down in the instructions. I mean in the comments. All right, so got that done. What you want to do is remove the stock intake. Now it's going to be the same process if you got V6 or V8, because they both got the same setup as far as the intake. And if you got a HELLCAT with the tube right there, it's going to be the same thing as well. If you don't know, I got a HELLCAT airbox in it, but I'm taking it out and putting this one in, so it's going to be the same process. So first thing you want to do is you want to remove this bolt right here. Got that off. And then you want to loosen the clamp. So that's when you get the flathead screwdriver. And unplug the temp sensor. So that's going to be this right here. And let me just make sure I remember how to do this. And just pull that off. Got that. And you just want to lift this, and you need to loosen this clamp as well right here. All right, so actually you didn't have to loosen this one. You just need to loosen this one right here, the one closest to the throttle body. Okay. So, got the stock intake out. That shit, mainly because that tube part was on here. And so yeah, I got that off. All right, so I got the factory one out. And like I said, you want to take this piece off here and transfer it over to the aftermarket one. Put the rubber piece in here, and then insert this metal piece inside of here. All right, so if you got the hose, you want to go ahead and pop that on here. Luckily, I had this one with the HELLCAT one, so I already got the hose. I had to order it separately. But if you don't have the hose, they give you an option to put, it's a piece they supplied in here that you can pop on the front if you don't have the tube. But I got the tube, so I'll go ahead and pop that on here. And that's it right there. Tube is on. Set that back down. And you want to get this rubber piece off here as well. This one right here. And place this inside of here. So I want you to get this connector piece. Then I want to get the hose just right here. Just want to get this on here, twist it all the way down, and remove the temperature sensor from the factory one, which is right here. So you just want to pull this out. All right, once you get that out, set that back down. Here you go, right here. We're gonna need this part right now. So you're gonna need this piece, and you wanna put this inside of here. Line it up. Okay, once you get on here, you just wanna turn this. It says clockwise. It's gonna be to the right. All right, so I got that turned, and you're gonna know that because it's gonna line up with this hinge right here. You also need this piece too. So you wanna put this inside of here. Bam, so for the temperature part, you're gonna need both rubber pieces supplied in this bag right here with the brackets. So once you get that on here, this is gonna be snug. So on to the next step. So I got the sensor on here, we got this done. They actually just skip steps, so it's not even fully in here. You basically better off just free balling this shit. So obviously this part's gonna go on this right here. Let me just double check. Cause look, you do the hose and now they already got the intake inside the car. And then they tell you to connect the, and that's basically it. So they give you two brackets, one smaller, one bigger. So basically it goes, obviously, this bigger portion goes over this part right here. And then you're gonna use the bigger bracket for that end. And then you're gonna use the smaller part for this end, which is gonna clamp onto the throttle body. So I'm basically gonna assemble this. And you also gotta put this hose from here to here. So I'm gonna assemble this and then I'm gonna come back to the video. All right, so after you got the sensor in here, the hose, and the two clamps, I pre-tightened this one, I left this one kind of loose. Just want to push the hose up against the AC valve right here, press it all the way up, and then put this gasket on the throttle body and screw it all the way over. You want it all the way over here, and once you get ready to screw it, make sure you tighten it with no gap on either side. So I'm gonna leave that kind of loose up until I get the actual filter intake in here as well. All right, so you're gonna wanna assemble this. I already got the end tube, the tube on here for the headlight. That goes right there. And then you wanna put the seal at the bottom of this. And basically you just got this split. So obviously you're just gonna push this on here. And you just wanna go all the way around. So once I get this on, I'll come back to the video. All right, so I got the rubber gasket on. And once you get that on, you basically want to take your filter out the bag and press this inside of here. Got some rubber clamps, so just make sure you push all those inside all the way down, just like that. And once you get that done, you want to put this in here. You gotta align the tube. See if I can get this. All right, so here it is. Finally got it done. You see right there, you can kind of see the filter when I was picking up in the camera. But anyway, I got this done. I'm gonna edit this video up. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but if you made it this far, I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown. The main part was because if you're using the this tube right here, you gotta align that tube, you gotta align this, and then you gotta still wedge this whole piece inside here. So that was the main problem with this rubber piece on here as well, because it would get here and it would just fold and overlap and won't go around the throttle body. So it took me forever. This is actually the next day because I just left because I had other stuff to do, but I finally got it done. I'm about to ride around the block real quick. So basically this is the main part. You put the filter on here, you tighten up this bracket. You gotta put these two brackets right here on this rubber piece that connects to the throttle body. I don't know why they make these screws so fucking long. I'm gonna switch these clamps out, or I'm gonna cut these. Either way, I got it. I mean, the hood still closes, but this shit's fucking annoying. So I'm gonna cut these or switch these brackets out. aFe need to fix that shit because that don't make no sense. And here's the AC hose right here, the air temperature part right here that you have to connect back. So it's really an easy install. It's mainly just trying to fit this in here. Like if you don't have the tube, this would be way more easier, but obviously this is the main reason I got this, because I got the tube, so I'm getting air from here as well, from down here, and that's pretty much it. About to drive around the block and that'd be it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Got way more performance mods on the way.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah, reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Yeah, and now I'm out here.